Welcome to ChinaDivision. This video will guide you through the process of creating a product profile in our system. Let's get started. To begin, click Products on the left-hand menu. On the Product Management page, we support both batch import and manual creation. If you have many SKUs, you can download the Excel template for batch uploading. For now, we will demonstrate how to manually create a single product. Please note that fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. First, upload your product image. When entering the SKU, please follow your own naming format, but ensure the length does not exceed 30 characters. Next is the customs information. Please fill in the HS code based on the info provided by your supplier. After entering the product's English name, material, and usage, you must translate and fill in the corresponding Chinese information. This is a necessary step for Chinese customs inspection, so please ensure it is accurate. Select the product's brand, category, color, and size. The barcode is a mandatory field. You can manually enter a number up to 17 digits or simply click Auto Generate. This barcode is crucial as it will be printed and attached to your product or outer box for warehouse scanning. Finally, check the correct product attributes. You can also set a stock warning threshold based on your sales volume. Once the warehouse stock falls below this number, the system will automatically email you to restock. Once finished, click Save. That covers the basic operation for ChinaDivision. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our online customer support. We wish you success in building a strong brand.